Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. Today's video is for buyers who want to purchase Amazon products using Progressive Leasing. In this video, we will discuss whether Amazon accepts Progressive Leasing or not. If you love shopping on Amazon but don't want to pay everything upfront, you might be wondering if Amazon accepts Progressive Leasing. Well, the answer is not simple. In this video, I will explain how you can use Progressive Leasing to shop on Amazon, even though Amazon does not directly accept it. I will share some other easy ways to buy Amazon products on EMI. So, if you are looking for flexible payment options, make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get started. To find out whether Amazon accepts Progressive Leasing, we go to Google and search, "Does Amazon accept Progressive Leasing?" The first result is the official Progressive Leasing website, which states, "Log into the Progressive Leasing app and search for Amazon. Get started to apply. Start the lease application and get a decision within minutes." After seeing this, many people assume that Amazon directly accepts Progressive Leasing. But the reality is different. To understand the truth, we are referring to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. This website has many articles related to banking. One of these articles is titled, "Does Amazon accept Progressive Leasing? Dispelling the Myths." This article reveals the truth and suggests some alternative methods. Scrolling down in the article, we find detailed information about what Progressive Leasing is and how it works. The sources from which this information has been collected are also linked throughout the article. If you want to verify any information, you can click on those links to check the official sources. Further down, the article explains the benefits of Progressive Leasing. Then, it discusses Amazon and the different types of payment methods it accepts. If you want to read all these details, you will find the article link in the description. Next, we see an important subheading. Does Progressive Leasing work with Amazon? Under this subheading, it clearly stated, no, Amazon no longer accepts Progressive Leasing as a payment method. However, customers can utilize Progressive Leasing to shop on Amazon through the Progressive Leasing mobile app. Here's how it works. Download the Progressive Leasing app, available on both the App Store and Google Play. This app enables users to access lease-to-own options for various retailers, including Amazon. Apply for a lease. Within the app, complete the lease application. Upon approval, you'll receive a spending limit to use for your purchases. Shop on Amazon by the app. Use the app's interface to browse and select items from Amazon's catalog. Complete your purchase. At checkout, the app will generate a virtual card for payment, allowing you to finalize your order. It's important to note that not all products may be eligible for lease-to-own, and terms and conditions apply. For more detailed information, you can visit Progressive Leasing's official page on Shopping with Amazon. If you still want to buy Amazon products on EMI, Amazon offers various payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, Amazon gift cards, Citi Flex Pay, and store financing options. Many banks provide no-cost EMI and installment payment plans, making it easier for customers to shop without paying the full amount upfront. You can check the EMI options at the time of checkout while making your purchase on Amazon. If you have any doubts about this information, you can see that the official pages are linked throughout the article. If you wish to verify these pieces of information, you can click on those links. So, from this, we understand that Amazon does not directly accept Progressive Leasing. However, if we still want to buy products from Amazon on EMI, there are several other options available. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.